Hey everybody, Mike with Enviroscape LA. And so today we're going to talk about landscaping around a pool. So many pools going in Southern California, climate change, weather's getting hotter and hotter. People are doing pools. What is the best landscape for your garden? We're going to talk about that today. Before we proceed, if you like this video, please click subscribe and to the Enviroscape LA channel. We're starting to put out a lot more videos now. First of all, this is the entrance to the backyard, and whenever possible, we want to bring in, help the pollinators, birds, bees, bats, butterflies. So if you look at these plants here, this is the entrance to the patio. We actually have, this is the red buckwheat, California native. And here is the original glaucus. And so this one will get a little bit taller, about like that. This one will kind of stay more of a ground cover. And this one right here, Salvia clevelandia, is going to get about this tall. So you always want to layer from your perspective, the smaller, and then against the wall, it gets taller. So this is the entry. We're going to put some Mexican pebbles here in between. And over here in the back, so we want to try to stay native when we can, but sometimes it just isn't possible. So the next best thing, that natives are best, the next best are the California friendly, which are not necessarily native, but they're very drought tolerant. So follow me and we're going to check out what we've got going on here. So we do have, this is the Caliandra pink powder puff espalier. So if you Google it, make sure to put espalier, E-S-P-A-L-I-E-R, espalier. What these are going to do, these are going to get much taller because the house is almost 3 stories. So these are going to get probably to the fence level. Nice thing about these, they produce a red flower that hummingbirds love to nest in. So it attracts a lot of pollinators. They don't necessarily breed on this, but they, well, the hummingbirds do. Anyway, we're going to put like a buffer. Again, we wanted to keep it short. Now, these are called Liriopes. They're not natives, but they do well in shade, and the north is facing that direction. With a tall fence like this, these are going to be in shade a lot of the year. So we're going to use Liriopes in the bottom to kind of buffer the bottom here, and then we're going to use the Caliandras for taller. And so these are going to be great for because they do well in the shade and they're super drought tolerant. And if you notice over here in the back, we're installing Caliandras as well, and there's a whole wall of Caliandras. This is what they look like. We'll come back in a year, we'll do another video, show you exactly how they do. Now around a pool, you want something that's not going to drop leaves. So these keep their leaves 24/7, 12 months out of the year. They're not deciduous, they don't drop, so they're the perfect plant around a pool. Plus you can trim them, so there's going to be a little trimming you have to do with any plant, but at least they don't drop their leaves in winter. And the Liriopes, big leaves, any type you have a pool, you want to make sure you have big leaves or stuff like the Liriope. You almost have to go on there and clean them out, which again, you want to keep a good relationship with your pool guy because he has to clean your pool. So you plant something like a tree that sheds leaves, he's going to hate you. So anyway, that's what you want to do around a pool. And there's going to be a lot of kids playing here. We opted not to do, well, we never encourage fake grass if there's full sun, but you can do marathon sod if there's kids or dogs. We're going to do some of that, but we are going to use a subsurface drip, so it's going to save literally half the water that you would with overhead spray. So we'll do another video on that, show you how it's done. And so water conservation, native plants where you can, California friendly, meaning that they use very little water. Doesn't get any better than that, folks. Mike with Enviroscape LA signing off. When you think sustainability, think Enviroscape LA.